Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 7th May 2022 and the time is 10:30. See, one of the advisor, he sent me a chart of 90-year Dow Jones cycle, and that cycle says that we are in for a predominant fall now in the coming months. Yes, 90-year cycle is very much predominant, and we don't have that kind of data in Nifty. So 30-year, 60-year, 90-year cycle is very much crucial for the market, and history repeats itself. And I've already told you many times. Even 30, 18-month cycle is very much needed. And I've already made a video on how 18-month cycle worked, and it is there in my YouTube. You can go and check that YouTube. So now I don't want to go very deep into 90-year cycle and all. I just want to show a small time cycle with a combination of pitchfork and ICHIMOKU and see how where the market is standing now and what are the downside targets of Dow Jones in the coming months. So let's go to the chart. Okay, so this is a chart, and if you see, I've connected this low, which is 22nd March 2009 low, and so when I draw pitchfork, it came, touched this median line, went up, and you all know how median line works very beautifully. So here also it touched, went up, and again this year it closed below it. So the next month was not good. Again it went up, but this was a whipsaw here on pitchfork basis. On pitchfork basis, this was a little whipsaw. Again went up, came down, touched the exact median line here, went up, and this was the fall which happened. So I've connected this high and this low with the combination of this low on pitchfork. Okay, so it has given me a targets. So it says above this breakout, and the breakout happened, and the pitchfork was able to catch this top also. So if you go here and click this in pitchfork, if you take these two, that was the exact top of Dow Jones. Hope you are able to see this. This was the exact top. Okay, this pink color line was the exact top. Now it has come down and closed here. But we have full month to go because this is a monthly analysis. We have full month to go. So we need to see whether it is again closing above this pitchfork. Now I'll remove this so that it will be easy for you to understand. So now we need to see whether it is closing above this blue color line on a monthly closing basis. Last time it came down, took the support of the pitchfork, top line went up, again came here, went up. This was a little bit, close little below the pitchfork topmost line. More or less, it closed there only because it acts as a trend line also. And now we are below the blue color line. But we have 1 month to go, full month to go to see whether it is going to close below this blue color line or above this blue color line. So we have another time, but as of now, definitely based on this pitchfork analysis, the top is already done in the month of January 2022, right? So now, are we able to catch this top based on time cycle? Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So let's go back, and many people, those who attended my Telegram webinar, they know how to catch this trend. Okay, so now what I've done is simply I've connected this low, and this low. Okay, how to do this? I'll remove this now. So just go here, go to cyclic lines, connect this low and connect this low. That's all. So now you will have, this can be used in monthly, weekly, daily, anything and everything. Now I'm showing it in monthly. I've already done a webinar to how to analyze this on a daily basis, and the people are amazed to see how market works on these lines. Okay, so now, so when I connected this dot, this low, which is October 2022 low, which was a predominant low, and this was the predominant low, which happened on 2nd March 2009. When I connect these two dots, it gave the next line which was the predominant bottom in the month of August 2015. So I'm not drawing anything. It automatically draws the next future months. So this was the predominant bottom, which happened on August 2015. And again, it went up. Okay, so then the next date came exactly on this month. That was the beauty. So now, see, if I change this here, all will move. So now I'm connecting the dots. That's all. I'm connecting. See how market works like mad. It was able to predict this bottom just by connecting these two bottoms. Okay, so now again from here, now it says the bottom is done, the top is done here. The top is done here. So more or less, if the top is done here, then the bottom should be formed somewhere here. I don't know. But based on that, yes, top is definitely made. So now, unless and until it close about 3rd Jan 2022, I'm not talking about the 3rd Jan. It is Jan 2022. We are in for a problem based on time cycle plus combination of pitchfork. Combination of pitchfork. So pitchfork combination and this one. So now let's go to ICHIMOKU. So now it is below the conversion line. It is below the conversion line. So now the baseline is here. Overall, still, it is looking bullish only based on the cloud. So now, based on monthly, yes, still it is below the conversion line. It looks ugly. Possibility of taking support maybe around this level, around 28,896 level, but we need to see how it is unfolding in the next month's time. So now let's in case if it closes below this month, possible target is, first target is this one, which is 30,000 level, 30,300 level, and the next target is it will try to come and take the support at the median line, which is somewhere near 27,880. Okay, so 27,880. So now this is too much of analysis. So now let's go to fortune signals. I'm just opening this. Okay, so now it exactly says the bottom is somewhere near this median line based on monthly. So these two numbers are very vital now, which is because this is forming a flat formation. So it will try to come and attract this line. Okay, so this is not a flat formation. Hope you are able to see this. Okay, this is not a flat formation, but here it is forming a flat formation. So possibility of touching 28,200, 300 level to 27,164 is clearly visible once it breaks this pitchfork green line. Okay, so now where it stands now. So now let's go to weekly. And that is where it stands now. So in weekly, it is here. So once it breaks this low, and last time it came here and touched the fortune signals, went up, came down. Now it is hovering here and it is below the pitchfork line. So possibility of touching this 32,246 is very much visible. Close below, it will go ugly. And as of now, on weekly, it is still in bullish because the trend, the candle still in green, and it gave a buy here somewhere here 27,155. So now till now on a weekly basis on fortune signals, it is still in bullish. The candle is in bullish only, and it will try to take the support here. But when it go to daily, the sell came here at that 34,259, came down, took the support of the pitchfork top line, went up, it got resisted at the signal. So whenever it is in sell, it will face the resistance at my blue and red color. This works even on a minute time frame, hourly time frame, 5 minutes time frame, whichever time frame you call, it will respect these two lines. If it is in red, it will go and touch this red and blue color and it starts falling. If it is in green, it will try to take the support. It will try to take the support at the blue if it is in green. So now based on daily, definitely it looks bad. Based on weekly, it is taking support. And based on monthly, I've already shown. So now let's go to the normal trend line and see where it is standing. So let's connect the dots. So now I'll remove this pitchfork. I don't want the pitchfork so that we can see very easily. So now if I connect the trend line, so if I connect this dot and this dot, it is already below the trend line, number one. Okay, number two, if I connect this trend line and this trend line, it is below the blue color line. It is below the blue color line. Maybe if you again tweak a little bit also, you can say it is at the trend line. So this trend line on the weekly is more or less, this is on a monthly basis. So you can say that below this low on a monthly low, I know Dow Jones looks ugly. So trend line, we don't use trend line at all. For us, the major thing is pitchfork. So it says clear top is already made. Clear top is already made, and pitchfork also saying that. But let's see on a monthly basis how it's going to plan on Dow Jones, and let's go to daily on ICHIMOKU. Clearly down, and lagging span also is way below the cloud, but this cloud is show bullish, but it has already, the stock is already fallen below when it was in red. So very difficult for it to go. Even if it goes here, it will try to do 34076 level. But anyway, things looks ugly again. This forming, red color, that cloud is becoming red again. So things are not really looking good for Dow Jones. Let's watch whether this month will be the key to see whether Dow Jones is going to close above the pitchfork blue color line or not. If it closed below that, then obviously the next targets are clearly visible. And as of now on pitchfork, it is at the support. Let's see whether it is going to break this 32,252 on close below. And once the weekly sell signal comes, then obviously it will go and touch the monthly number on fortune signals. So it will come and try to do this. But I am expecting much bigger problem in this. Let's cut off with this number. Even if this number comes, many people will be in panic. Maybe you can go to my video on Nifty, which I predicted, I think, which I posted on February. And I've clearly mentioned that October 18th market will top out, and it happened on October 19th. Even that video is clearly available. I made a video on 18th October, and I gave a caution also. That video is also available in YouTube. So kindly go and check that video and see how it planned, how it, market respected the past, and it came below. So these kind of webinars we do every Sunday. In case if you want to join, you can join my Telegram channel, and you can learn these kind of small things. Here we don't need any indicator. This time cycle dates on a monthly will work like magic. Will work like magic. You don't need to know anything about astrology to find all this. The simple time cycle cyclical dates will work like magic. You can do this in daily, hourly, even in 5 minutes. You can use all this kind of stuff, which will work like mad. But the only thing is you need to have conviction to follow it. That's what it is. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Anyway, I'll be covering my weekly forecast video. And I've already given all the data on Friday night itself, how the weekly looks to my followers. I'll try to cover the video maybe tomorrow evening. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decisions. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.